Hey, thanks for tuning in. It's the 30th of August, 2021. We just put a faucet in for a woman, and we were supposed to be going to fix a broken door today, but the gentleman canceled last night. And I'm kind of happy he did, because we had a service member from the military give us a call. His wife is home, or his fiance rather is home, and he's deployed right now in Texas with the thought that he is heading to Afghanistan. And we all know what's going on in Afghanistan right now. We're going to have a moment of silence in memory of the lost soldiers, the lost Afghan people, and the American citizens that lost their lives over there due to terrorists. And then we're going to go to this guy's house, and we are going to fix a hole that's in his shed that leads right into his bedroom. It looks like, from the photos that I saw, it looks like somebody cut a hole in the shed wall to install an outlet that is accessible from the bedroom on the opposite side. So you can see insulation, and you can see the back of the drywall in the bedroom. So we're going to go there and we're going to fix that for him. And I told him it would be free of charge. I am doing this, and I don't do this for everybody. So if you're in the local area, don't call me and say, hey, I'm in the military, can you do free work for me? I don't do that. I do it for certain cases when I feel that it's warranted. This guy is in Texas on deployment. His fiance is home. She's getting bugs and warm air coming through. It's hard for her to cool the bedroom down, and he's not here to take care of her. And I don't know if he has children or not, but if he does, even more so. So we're going over there, and we're going to give back a little bit today. And it's not a very big job, and it's not anything glorious. It's just fixing a hole in a shed. You probably saw it a billion times, but I wanted to make a video for it because I'm kind of hoping that this prompts other people to maybe pay it forward and do something nice for somebody else and not try to get something out of it. So let's have a moment of silence for not only the people in Afghanistan that lost their lives, but also for everyone that lost their lives September 11th, 2001, during the worst terrorist attack on American soil, and that was when the World Trade Centers were demolished. This serviceman's situation is pretty obvious with the rundown appearance of the home. They plan on purchasing this home after deployment, but right now they rent from a landlord that just refuses to repair anything. Now, I believe our servicemen and women, along with our veterans, should be provided enough earnings to maintain a modest lifestyle. And it saddens me that we have people struggling to keep things going while they're out there risking their own lives for us, so we can sit home and watch YouTube videos. Seeing you're sitting home watching a YouTube video right now, I hope you find a way to pay it forward to someone today. Look, there's mice or something. Yeah. Cutting a hole right there, putting a nest in. So Nothing in there right now though. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this back a little bit just so we can get to that. So, and this goes here. Like so, and now that'll fit in there. Huh?
Hornet's big.
Wider than that. Yeah, so we got hornets floating around in here too. It's lovely, huh? That'll fit around there just like so. Oops. Like that. Alright, now we just need another piece. That's not long enough. Oops, let me have that wires. Put this here. This is rolled out. There. And there. Like so. So I'll put a mark here so I know that's the top. Put a mark here so I know that's the top. Let's go make a pattern. Well, that's it. Nothing spectacular. Close it in. Keeps the mice out. I'm sure something can get in down here. I'm going to put a little bit of steel wool in there. Hopefully that'll keep them from chewing their way in.